The Khnam National Awakening Movement on Monday in its manifesto has vowed that the party will be impressed on the need to revert back the authority of issuing of scheduled tribe certificate to the district councils. Talking to reporters after releasing the manifesto, Thomas Pasa, Khnam working president, said that they have found that there are many lapses ever since the SD certificate was issued by the Deputy Commissioner Office. According to him, there is no proper scrutiny of the applications, especially at present when people can apply for the SD certificate online.
Baka simti ka state government ban ay kini sirul try khamtam mandal kari online ki bon bha ki jing bon pai bnya swaba ka DC office ne ka sarkar kan ay kini sirul try ka bawan ra bane ka jing thurmur lani ka jing punan kam bakla ya kata ka sirul try category te kani ka ka e ka bana ka lenga jongi ngila ya sa ila pai bnya ba balangi poi satisfaction council kan penti kana baka ne ka bor ban ay kani ka serna riulom lani ka sirul try certificate kan wan phai byang sapo ka council nang baka don kata ka jing purking ga byang ba swaba ngin ay ka sirul try certificate sia ki ba apply